Affiliate marketing stands as a beacon for individuals seeking financial freedom through passive income. In a world where digital marketing dominates, affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to earn money while you sleep. This is not an overstatement, but a realistic perspective shared by countless successful marketers. By simply linking to products or services and earning a commission on sales, this method has turned ordinary people into self-made entrepreneurs. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and scalability. Once you set up your system, it can generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Imagine earning money from a blog post you wrote years ago. This is the passive income power of affiliate marketing. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or build a full-fledged business, understanding the basics of affiliate marketing is your first step. Moreover, the adaptability of affiliate marketing allows it to fit almost any niche or interest. From tech gadgets to beauty products, there's a space for every passion. This guide will walk you through the essential steps and strategies to harness the full potential of affiliate marketing. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to start your own affiliate marketing journey confidently. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission on the sales or leads you generate. It's a win-win situation. Companies get increased sales or exposure, and affiliates earn a passive income without the complexities of product creation or customer service. This relationship is facilitated through affiliate links, which track sales and attribute them to the affiliate's marketing efforts. The process begins with choosing a product you believe in or one that aligns with your audience's interests. This is a crucial step because promoting a product that resonates with your audience increases the likelihood of conversions. Next, you sign up for the product's affiliate program, which provides you with a unique affiliate link. This link is essential as it tracks the traffic and sales generated from your marketing efforts. You promote this product through various online platforms, blogs, social media, email newsletters, and incorporate your affiliate link. The more diverse your promotional channels, the wider your reach and the higher your potential earnings. When someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you receive a commission from the sale. The commission rate can vary depending on the affiliate program and the product being promoted. Effective affiliate marketing relies heavily on trust and transparency. Your audience needs to believe in your recommendations, which means you should only promote products you genuinely support. As an affiliate, it's crucial to promote products that you genuinely endorse and to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. This transparency is not just a legal requirement, but also a way to build credibility. This honesty not only adheres to legal requirements, but also fosters trust with your audience, which is essential for long-term success. Trust is the cornerstone of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Understanding these basics sets a solid foundation, but success in affiliate marketing requires more than just knowledge. It requires strategy. You need to continuously analyze your performance, optimize your campaigns, and adapt to changing market trends. The following sections will delve deeper into choosing the right niche, selecting affiliate programs, and building a platform that attracts and engages your audience. We will explore how to create compelling content, utilize SEO techniques, and leverage social media to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Choosing the right niche is pivotal in the realm of affiliate marketing. The niche you select can make or break your success in this competitive field. A niche is essentially the market segment you choose to target, and it should be something you are passionate about or have expertise in. Passion and expertise are crucial because they fuel your motivation and credibility. This ensures that you can create authentic and engaging content that resonates with your audience. Authenticity builds trust, and trust is a cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. Moreover, a well-chosen niche can significantly reduce competition, making it easier to establish yourself as an authority. When you are seen as an expert, people are more likely to follow your recommendations. When selecting a niche, consider both your interests and the market demand. Balancing these two factors is key to finding a niche that is both enjoyable and profitable. Use tools like Google Trends or keyword research tools to analyze the popularity and competitiveness of potential niches. These tools provide valuable insights into what people are searching for and how competitive those search terms are. It's also helpful to check affiliate networks for the types of products available in different niches. This will give you an idea of what products you can promote and how well they align with your chosen niche. Look for a niche with a good balance of high demand and manageable competition, which will provide a fertile ground for your affiliate endeavors. High demand ensures a large audience, while manageable competition means you have a fair chance of standing out. Another important aspect is the monetization potential of the niche. This involves understanding how much money you can realistically make from your chosen niche. Some niches might be incredibly popular but have limited opportunities for making money. Popularity alone does not guarantee profitability. Ensure that there are quality affiliate programs and products with a proven track record of sales. Reliable programs and products are essential for building a sustainable income. For instance, niches like health and wellness, personal finance, and technology typically offer robust affiliate programs with attractive commissions. These niches are known for their high earning potential and wide range of products. The right niche not only engages your passion, but also meets market needs and has substantial income potential. When your interests align with market demand, you are more likely to succeed. With the niche defined, the next step is to choose suitable affiliate programs that align with your targeted audience and personal values. This alignment ensures that you promote products you believe in, which enhances your credibility, which we will explore in the next section. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into selecting the best affiliate programs to maximize your success in your chosen niche. The selection of affiliate programs is a critical decision that can impact your success in affiliate marketing. This choice can determine not only your potential earnings, but also the ease with which you can promote products and services. Not all affiliate programs are created equal, and choosing the right ones involves several considerations. It's essential to evaluate each program's unique features and benefits to ensure they align with your goals and audience. First, look for programs with a good commission structure. This means understanding the percentage of sales you will earn and any additional bonuses or incentives offered. Higher commissions can significantly increase your earnings, but also consider the conversion rate, the percentage of clicks on your affiliate links that turn into sales. A program with a high commission but low conversion rate might not be as profitable as one with a lower commission but higher conversion rate. Affiliate networks like ShareASale, Amazon Associates, and Commission Junction offer a wide range of programs across various industries, making it easier to find products that suit your niche. These platforms provide a centralized location to manage multiple affiliate programs, simplifying the process of tracking and optimizing your efforts. These platforms provide tools and analytics to track your performance, which is essential for optimizing your strategies. Detailed reports on clicks, conversions, and earnings help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. Additionally, it's important to assess the credibility of the affiliate program. Research the company's history, read reviews from other affiliates, and ensure they have a track record of timely payments and good customer service. Choose companies with a good reputation that provide quality products and reliable support. This not only builds trust with your audience, but also ensures that you are promoting products that you can stand behind. Consider the relevance of the products to your audience. Promoting products that align with their interests and needs will likely result in higher engagement and conversions. Understanding your audience's preferences and pain points can help you select the most appropriate products to promote. Engaging with your audience to understand their interests and needs is crucial. This can be done through surveys, social media interactions, and analyzing feedback. The more you know about your audience, the better you can tailor your promotions to meet their expectations. Also, look for affiliate programs that offer marketing support, such as banners, promotional materials, and even training on how to market their products effectively. These resources can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on creating content and driving traffic. Incorporating these considerations will guide you in selecting the most beneficial affiliate programs. Make a list of pros and cons for each program you are considering to help you make an informed decision. With the right programs in place, the next step involves building a platform to promote these products effectively. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media page, or any other medium where you can reach your audience. In the following section, we will discuss how to set up and optimize your platform for maximum impact.